Today I am greedy for your growth. Are you ready? Accelerate for growth has a direct correlation with your time that you have in your life. अगर आपका ग्रोथ हो गया तो केस का ग्रोथ अपने आप हो जाएगा. I am here for your growth. Either you distinct or you extinct. Are you here to spend your time or invest your time? Come on. Hear me now. I am an international motivational speaker, doing a lot of programs. I run my own organization called Global Act, Global Academy for Consulting and Training. I want to give you a good news. In training and development, we are one of the largest in India, among the top 3. क्या करना चाहते हैं? समय खर्च करेंगे या निवेश करेंगे? The Dalmias, Singhanias, Burmans, Jindals, Munjals, Goenkas, Modis, Mittals, Tatas, Birlas, Ambanis, all the influential families in India, they've got equal time to become unequal. Each and every one of you, whether you're a state head from the sales team of Case or you're a dealership principal concerned, sir, you all have got equal time to become unequal. Nobody in the room will capture everything same. बड़ा करने के लिए हिम्मत नहीं चाहिए, बड़ा सोचने के लिए हिम्मत चाहिए. When you change the way you look at the things you look at, they change. Lot of great organizations, they've gone. So either you grow or you go. The market is accelerating. Where are you right now? What changes are you going to bring in your life? That's an important question. Can I ask you something? In fact, I'll tell you something. If you continue doing what you were doing last year, you will continue getting what you were getting last year. The definition of insanity says that you keep doing what you were doing and start expecting new results. जिम्मेदारी ही एक ऐसी चीज है जो कभी दी नहीं जाती, केवल ली जाती है. जिम्मेदारी ही एक ऐसी चीज है जो कभी दी नहीं जाती, केवल ली जाती है. जिम्मेदारी ही एक ऐसी चीज है जो कभी दी नहीं जाती, केवल ली जाती है. Recently I went to a place called Vaishno Devi, and on my right there was a sadhu, on my left there was a young girl carrying a small baby, not baby but a child about 8 years old who couldn't walk, so she wanted him to take the darshans of their lordships. साधु की पीठ पे पोटली थी, लड़की की पीठ पे बच्चा था, दोनों हाफ रहे थे. बाबा बोले, बेटी तुम थक गई होगी, बहुत बोझ उठा रखा है. लड़की कहती है, बाबा बोझ तो आपने उठा रखा है, ये तो मेरा भाई है. टारगेट्स भी केवल वही होते हैं which are not given but they are taken. If the organization gives you target, दो पैको per month extra बेच लेना. If you are not ready to take the target, sir, you'll never be able to meet it. The mentality will improve your reality. If you as a dealer growing by 20%, let me help you focus on your growth by 40%. जिम्मेदारी ही एक ऐसी चीज है जो कभी दी नहीं जाती, केवल ली जाती है. If your credibility grows, your profitability will grow. But what to do? पूरा मार्केट, पूरा पृथ्वी, पूरा हिंदुस्तान बदलने में टाइम नहीं लगता. Everything will change. Everything has been changing. Disruption is the name of the game. Continuous disruption हो रहा है, continuous changes आ रहे हैं. Are you ready for the growth? Are you ready?